please, allow me to show you something.
When I saw this Mercedes W211, inside I felt like that. E500 with air suspension, 7Gtronic transmission. Year of production is 2004 with 60,000 kilometers. I did not believe what I saw. To find something like that, people spend a lot of money, time, and still end up with the right-hand drive Japanese car. 1.5 million of W211 was sold. And car fans always take a second glance when they see it on the road, just to see what kind of spec it is. Weight of the car is 1,600 kilograms, which is 100 kilograms more than the same BMW of the same generation. But when you drive W211, you feel like it's a big luxury car, like an S-Class, even better than S-Class. Trunk is big, size of the trunk is 433 liters and it has wonderful DVD changer at the back of the left wing. ABS system likes to control everything, and yes, it doesn't allow you to drift on high speeds, but who really needs it in real life? Braking system SBC had some problems at first years of production, but then Mercedes figured all the problems and replace them with new ones. Engine is legendary M113, one of the most reliable engines that Mercedes ever built. 302 brake horsepower, 406 torques, 0 to 100 kilometers happens in 6 seconds. Acceleration is always smooth and nice. Some say that E500 it has some cooling problems. All the problems are in the bumper. Bumper has automatic shades that open and close when engine needs it, and sometimes those shades break down, so pay attention to that. Of course, Brabus in the same chassis W211 with mighty V12 6.3 liters and with 2 turbochargers never had problems with cooling, and I wish that one day I have an opportunity to drive this wonderful monster. M113 has one small but popular problem. It leaks oil from the head gasket, but it's very easy to fix. It has 2 sparks per cylinder and 3 valves per cylinders. With such engine construction, M113 can drive even on the 91 octane fuel. This engine is famous for its reliability, and with good service on time, it can go even more than 1 million kilometers. Interior is very comfortable. I was drowning in the seats. This is the first time when E-Class had better interior than the S-Class. Illumination is very relaxing and is made for the driver. Also, it has smart cruise control system called 7Gtronic, and it's necessary when you drive it in the traffic. 7Gtronic received many complaints, but all it needs is regular oil change every 60,000 kilometers, and please avoid fast starts in the cold weather, especially when transmission is not warm enough. Ericsson company developed the microchips for this transmission, so it's not bad. Just take care of it and it will serve you at least 300,000 kilometers. Driving of E500 W11. Well, I feel like it's my birthday today. The mileage here is 61,000 kilometers, which is just amazing. You have the new car smell here. It's still here. I don't know how is it possible, but it's possible. I can smell it. I cannot tell you or prove you, but believe me, it is here. The condition is just amazing. 7-speed gearbox, and you have the air suspension. 5-liter engine. It's just, it pulls and goes non-stop. Now where I'm driving on very bad roads, and I feel amazed. The air suspension just holding my butt and kissing it, and I don't feel any bump at all. And it's just amazing. I cannot believe it was happening. I don't want to stop driving this car on any speeds, on fast, on low speeds. It just goes and goes non-stop. What else do you need? You don't need anything. 5-liter V8, 7-speed gearbox, and that's it. Right now, currently, I'm forgetting everything in my life. Everything. I'm forgetting what is my name, where do I live. The only thing that matters right now is car, V8, and Mercedes logo that I can see right now. That's just something that Mercedes currently cannot give you. They don't give you so much luxury as they used to. The 211 is so much better than current E-Class. Why? Because the leather is real, because the plastic is not second-hand plastic, it's the first plastic, the wood, everything. You feel more special when you drive it. You feel more exclusive than owners of S-Class, of the current S-Class. Why? Because you can go and buy S-Class, E-Class in any moment, but to find this car in the market today with this mileage, with this spec, it's impossible. It's just impossible. You cannot even just imagine that you will find it one day and buy it. I can feel the quality of leather through my clothes. This is how good it is, and it's just amazing. Dashboard, it looks good at night. It looks in any condition looks great. Okay, acceleration, it pulls and pulls and pulls non-stop. There is no unnecessary noises, no unnecessary sounds. It just goes, just delivers immediately. And 7-speed gearbox, you don't feel the changes at all. It just changes and changes really fast, and it smoothly goes, smoothly, without any drama, without any unnecessary. Yeah, that's what I need. That's what I want. That's just everything that I ever imagined. This car is currently for sale in Uzbekistan. We do export to. It's 7-speed gearbox, air suspension, E500. Very exclusive car. Don't forget about the charity. When you do good things will happen to you. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Take care and bye bye.